see me, and then when I run, it's there.
Luca. Say hi.
Hi.
Luca, hello. Oh no. Oh, see? Ay!
Pagod na ikaw eh.
Ano to? Anong...
Toy poodle po.
Ah.
Tika. Oh!
Ay, ilang buwan pa lang.
4 months na po.
Oh, boy.
Playful po kasi yan.
Oo nga eh.
Tao.
Oh.
This dog, guys, not a danger dog.
Not a danger dog, yes. Si lalaki na.
Babae po.
Ay, babae. Padami din. Buyan. Ay, tutut. Buyag naman ikaw, oy. Oy, don't
Diyan ka
care.
na lang, iwanan na kita.
Bye-bye. Tapos may passport din siya, no?
Hindi po po pwede iwan yan.
Oo.
Pag nagbakasyon na po, kasama ko.
Agoy.
What, which breed this one? Japanese?
Toy poodle. Tika.
O, nagwiwi na ikaw.
Ah,
Naku,
nagwiwi.
nagwiwi. No, wala, ikaw
Oh,
the
he's
younger. She's playing.
Yeah.
Bye-bye na. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye na.
Bye.
Kailangan natin muna. O, tara na.
Bye.
Teka lang.
Cute naman
Isa.
yan. Oh.
Come.
Anong pangalan niya?
Si Piso po.
So, tiger cat na. So big. Eating. Wow. What meow?
Meow.
Meow.
Wow.
Oh, let's go na. They're sleeping. They're sleeping na. Hello. Hello, Lola. Ng tao sa park.
Mommy,
Mm.
we go there and here and come.
Where you will go?
Here.
No one there. No need. Okay, go, go, go. Scooter, dali. Be careful, ha? Slowly. Iikot pa talaga siya. Walang tao. Ay, meron doon dito. Meron dito. Tapos meron doon sa upuan. Meron din dito. Meron dito pa sa garden. Kagandahan lang sa park is 24 hours ang guard. Dati walang guard to dito. Laro siya mag-isa. Kanina nagtuluyan siya mag-isa. Naawa ako kasi iniwan na siya ng dalawa niyang kalaro. Mahirap pag gabi na pumunta. Okay, let's go. Let's go. This side na, dali. This side, this side. Go, go.
What?
This side na, going. And to bus and to... Oh, ganda dito. Bougainvillea pala yan. Ah, mga flower and land. Where are you now? Huh? Carry your scooter. Grass.
What will we do?
Hmm?
What will we do at home?
What we will do at home? Sleep. Sleeping time. The cat is running.
Why?
Oh. You can. Wow. Good job. One more. Wow. Good job. Wow. Good job.
How?
Hmm.
Hey!
Oh, okay. Oh. Good job. Okay, let's go.
Give it a balloon.
I should put daddy's name.
The balloon.
Hello, daddy the balloon. Hindi, let's see. Uuwi na. What happened? What's that? You remember that ate? The small ate?
You got the yellow balloon.
What's her name? The ate there in the supermarket. Yeah. Daan kami sa supermarket. Pwede kaming gapoy. Pabili kasama ko yun. Hindi siya marunong. Hindi niya alam dito banda. Yung building na yan. May Pinoy supermarket siya. Pinoy mo. Nagbabenta sila ng baboy. Mami na lang will do Hello Kitty.
Full glare.
Hello Kitty. Hold him, daddy. His hand. I will check, they might have. Ang hirap naman hanapin itong banana leaves na to. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, look. See, I can look at this cartoon and that feels so long. Wow.
We will go on, daddy. Ah, there is music.
What is that walking in the room?
Lagi yun sila pag ano, magkasama. Nagharutan. Maharot na maharot. Kapilat. Bayad na siya ng black meat. Tunggu na. Oh, wait for kuya. Ano yan? Oh, go there.
Where?
Oh, after. your money?
Here.
Oh. Isa. Dito kuya. Oh, your money, give. Thank you. Let's go. Go there. Go. Outside. Lang. Dito. Go. Daddy there. Doon na. Yan, Daddy is there. Ayun. I found Daddy. I'm the winner.
I'll fly.
Huh?
I'll fly.
Nag-usap na naman siya sa cat. Parang nakikipagkwento. Oh, what happened? Ano yan? Natakot na yung cat.
هما يبقوا مبسوطين لما بقول اخوهم يتضرب ويتفرج عليهم وبعدين كده مبسوطين.
Pag-aalisan sa bibig. Mainit na. Oh, nainitan sila. Mainit sa labi. What are working na? Where's the key? Go.
This is school.
Daddy, it's working already here. Go, baby, go. So press.
Friends. Hey, we go.
Allah.
We go here.
Yeah. Mommy will go another one. One for baby, one for daddy. Where you want to go?
And 15.
And mommy
And 15.
and daddy? Daddy where?
16.
Mommy where?
15.
You and me will be 15.
Yeah.
Daddy?
16.
Why? You press 16 and 17, yeah?
Huh?
Daddy press the 16 and 17, then he will go with, he will go 16.
Hey!
Oh, Daddy's cheater, yeah? Daddy, wait. Daddy, ano ba? Daddy na, remove this one. Scooter siya. Hey, where's Daddy? Huh? Malamig na yung hangin. Kaya nag-sweatshirt na siya. Naka-long sleeve na siya. Paborito niya yan eh, yung Sonic daw.
What did you put
You will do scooter until up? Huh?